Amazing. It's already been 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it seems like, we can go on forever. Meenakshi, few words to Nayan first. How did you find the whole thing? I know you've been a presenter yourself. You've been doing lots of presentation and also panel discussion, but how about that?
Can I say I'm speechless?
Wow.
No, really, that was a great session.
And Meenakshi, just quickly, can you introduce yourself quickly to everybody who are watching and to Nayan?
I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a social entrepreneur. I'm a coach, a lecturer, but I don't often, that's not my expertise, but I do a lot of public awareness and industry talks and webinars and presentations. I just want to tell you, Nayan, I've never pondered on the skills that we need for public speaking. But while going through your presentation, I realized that I apply so much of what you do.
Yeah.
So I'm so reassured. I'm so happy to listen to your techniques, because I've actually found someone who's been putting technical words on what I've been doing instinctively.
Yes.
And I'm so happy today.
Wow, thank you. Vikash, just quickly, Vikash, I understand you are the rector of Royal Cupid College. Correct me if I'm wrong there.
Yes, Anil, thank you. You're right.
Yes, Vikash, honored to have you. Obviously, few words on Nayan. Already it's observed, there was a comment on observation. Few words there, Vikash, and what's your feeling today on Nayan?
It's awesome and amazing, Anil, to Nayan. Thank you very much. When I learned that you're going to give this speech, I said I must attend to this session. And Anil, thank you. It's your 100th century today. So congrats to you. And to Nayan, I work with students, with youngsters for so many years, 25 years in the education sector, and I'm also, talking to people. I'm also giving, as Anil said, presenting news and other items on TV and radio. But whatever you said today, Nayan, is what we call putting into practice, theory into practice. So this is going to help a lot, because I can see myself in these skills a lot, because we interact with people, with students every day and with people. So I can see myself with my body moving whenever you were saying things from there. I can only thank you, Nayan and Anil, because it's whatever you say should be put into practice and should be implemented, because I said earlier, otherwise we are going to forget everything if we don't implement them, if we don't put them into practice. So thanks a lot and congrats to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Sajjad from South Africa, you've been a speaker for the global lockdown. It was in May 2020, Sajjad. We had a global lockdown with 6 continents, I believe. Sajjad, just a few words on Nayan quickly.
Currently in Cape Town, exactly. In Tambuskloof. Anyways, I just got back home from work, and I've been listening to the presentation all the way. To be honest, it's been very enlightening, and we, as quantity surveyors, we use presentation on a, if not daily, but weekly basis to just present our reports to our clients and all. So this presentation obviously will just add value to our everyday work that we do, So yeah, no, but it has been very enlightening.
Probably maybe a few words on what you've seen today, and maybe a question to Nayan.
Very good evening, Nayan and Anil. Thank you very much for the opportunity to talk. Nayan, I love your style and I love your energy. That's why I said the speaker sets the tone. It is so true when you're energetic, the people, your audience gets connected easily. And I love one thing, all the tools and techniques that you gave us, no one gave us here. I've been to quite a few speaking classes and courses, but no one gave us the lip frill and, all the tools that you gave us. This helps us in finding our style. Thank you very much, Nayan. And yes, you're full of energy. Continue inspiring people and continue inspiring us. Thank you very much.